Hi guys, now today I want to show you some if function for Microsoft Access. So in case if you want to develop a Microsoft Access database system and you want to have uh, somewhere where you have to generate the comments automatically uh, related with the field that is entered. For example, if you have some subjects and you want to generate grades by entering only the marks automatically, so we use queries to have the grades. So with me here, I've already created a table. Let me enter some marks so that after we enter our grading, it will just display the grades. So let me enter the marks. Let me enter 20. At least those 6 are, I think they are enough. Next, after grading, we are going to do something with making totals. When you want to calculate the total of each subject, so let's do some if function. Let's put some if function so that it can give grades for each subject. So to give gradings, you go to create, then query design, then we add the table by double clicking, or you click add, then we drag down the fields. So after entering the one for English, we put the if function. So we put the field, how it's going to appear. English grade, then we put a full colon, then we space if, and that if you write a double I, then F, then you open the bracket, then you say ing, if ing is greater or equal to 80, comma, then it will be grade A, comma, if you open the bracket, ing is greater or equal to 60, comma, then you put grade B, if you comma, if you open the bracket, ing is greater or equal to 50, comma, then it's going to be grade C, comma, if ing is greater or equal to 40, comma, then it will be grade D, comma, else that person will score a fail if he scores less than 40, or that's a supplementary. Then we close the number of brackets we opened, so we count the number of brackets we opened, and we put the same number of brackets. So we have 1 2 3 4, so we close 4 brackets, 1 2 3 4, then we mark down here. So after that, we put the next field, which is Kiswahili, then we put Kiswahili function for if. Now because already we have typed here, we cannot repeat typing, so we copy this one, Ctrl+C, then we paste it here. We only change the fields. So because there it was English, now we put Kiswahili. KIS. We only change that one instead of starting typing the whole figures. So we change here to be Kiswahili KIS, and here KIS, and finally we change the field name to be Kiswahili grade. Then we drag the next field, which is maths. Then we do the same, we paste here, then we change the fields. Now here it will be maths, if maths grade. Then the next year maths. What you need to ensure is that if the field was in small letter, you make sure that you write here in small letter. If it was in capital letter, you ensure that you write the same way as it appears. And here we put maths. Then finally we change the field name to be maths grade. Then we mark down here. Then we run. So let's run. So as you can see, as we have run our query, it has displayed the grades according to each the marks scored. So in English, the person who scored 60 scored at grade B. The person who had 45 is a grade D, 57 is a grade C, 78 is grade B, and 55 is grade C, and 20 is a fail. So the person who scored less than 30 had a fail. So what if we change this one, for this one who had 20, we put 90? That person is probably will have a grade A. So you can see it's now a grade A. So you can say our function is working. So that's how we are supposed to write our if function in Microsoft Excel. I know it's very hard for some people in writing the Excel functions, but if you are going to subscribe to my channel and keep watching the videos, you will keep on learning Microsoft Excel, and these things are going to help you in developing systems using Microsoft Excel. So in my next video under Microsoft Excel, I'm going to show you how to get the total score for all the subjects here. Then we do the average. After getting the average, we are going to get the total grade for the students. So thanks for watching my video, and remember to subscribe. So before we close this one, you make sure that you have saved your query. So we close here, or at the top left here we have a save button. So you click the save button here, then you give the query name. So let's say grading. So grading, can say grading query, then you click OK to save. So our query has been saved. So thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment my video so that you can keep on receiving the new videos as they come. So bye bye.